As we continue our no screen time weekend activities, I've come to really love the happy chaos of creating something together. Makulit, magulo, messy, pero masaya. So last weekend, we went full Jurassic mode as we brought Ace's Dino Dreams to life and made our own DIY Dino Volcano.
Hello everybody, gawa na volcano.
For this project, we used a sinter board as the base, lots of scratch paper, and a plastic bottle for the lava chamber, some tape, glue, water, at syempre lots of creativity. Nag-crumple kami ng scratch paper to shape the volcano, tapos pininturahan namin ng brown and green para magmukhang totoong bundok. Halfway through, Ace fell asleep. So habang tulog siya, I added a few extra touches para mas mukhang buhay ang volcano setup namin. Sa loob naman ng bote, nilagay namin ng magic mix, baking soda, plus food coloring, and of course, the vinegar. Kaboom! Lava everywhere! This is what no screen time weekends are all about. Imagination, creativity, teamwork, and a little mess on the side. So kung naghahanap kayo ng next weekend bonding activity, try nyo rin gumawa ng DIY Dino Volcano, where science meets playtime! So paano? See you next weekend! Bye-bye!